Good afternoon, everyone. Today, I'm going to tell you about my research. Before we start, I would like to ask, what's the most important to your life? Some people think their family. Some may say their jobs, their business, health, or wealth. The answer varies from people to people. But if you think carefully, all those answers share a common fundamental element, which is water. Everyone and every family need water to drink and to use. Business cannot be run without water. It's clear and undeniable that water is crucial, not only to humans, but also to other living organisms and environment. The managing water demand and supply is more challenging than before because of climate change and the higher number of population. I need more water to consumption and production. Why? We only have limited amount of water. What should we do? Here's come my research. I aim to use an optimization technique to improve water allocation and to provide and to explore the alternative for preventing flood and drought. I start by creating a river network and related infrastructure. Then, the objective function and constraint were set. The example of objective function are minimizing water deficit, minimizing flood damage, and maximizing economic value generated by water. The constraint could be the amount of water available, the maximum capacity of water infrastructure and channel used for allocation. The results from the model were optimal reservoir release that met with the objective function set at the earlier step. The possible solution to reduce excess or shortage of water were to construct the bypass channel to allow water transfer between neighboring basins, or to provide the retention ponds that can be used as the flood storage during the wet season and can be used as the additional water resource during the dry season. This is to show how optimization can be used to create opportunity for improved water efficiency. Thank you.